Today, I want to share with you 30 truths that I've learned over the years, specifically things I wish I knew when I was in my 20s. So whether you're in your 20s or 30s or beyond, stick around because I believe these insights can be valuable no matter where you are in your life. Starting with number 1, it's far more enjoyable to be the person being discussed than to be the one criticizing or judging others. Let's focus on living our own lives to the fullest. Number 2, stop complaining if you have the ability to take action. Complaining without action serves no purpose. Number 3, you get what you pay for. Whether it's products or services, quality often comes with a higher price tag. Number 4, don't take things personally. Most people mean well, and assuming otherwise can hinder meaningful relationship. Number 5, work in days, not weeks. Shortened deadlines can help shift your mindset from working harder to working smarter. Number 6, outwork your imposter syndrome. Pushing your limit can help overcome feelings of inadequacy. Number 7, playing small doesn't serve anyone. Take risks and aim for the big achievements. Number 8, success is personal. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Stay focused on your own path. Number 9, have regular check-ins with yourself. Don't operate on autopilot. Reassess your goals regularly. Number 10, getting into work early isn't enough to get promoted. Focus on adding value and solving problems. Number 11, fail fast and fail forward. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Number 12, don't expect others to do your work. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. Number 13, it's never too late to try something new. Don't let age hold you back from pursuing your passions. Number 14, define what you want, knowing your true desires and aspirations. Number 15, do what's necessary to achieve your goals. Take action and stay committed. Number 16, there's no such thing as an overnight success. Hard work and dedication are key to achieving your dreams. Number 17, be selective about the advice you take. Listen to those who have experience in your field. Number 18, other people are rarely your competition. Collaborate and learn from others to achieve greater success. Number 19, mornings are significant. Start your day with purpose and energy. Number 20, focus on one thing at a time. Avoid multitasking and prioritize tasks for maximum productivity. Number 21, don't rush to find your niche. Take your time to explore and find what truly fulfills you. Number 22, no one is coming to save you. Take ownership of your life and decisions. Number 23, pick your battles wisely. Focus on what truly matters in your relationships. Number 24, cut out anyone who belittles you. Surround yourself with positive influences. Number 25, never keep a tally. Give freely without expecting anything in return. Number 26, find joy in activities that stimulate your mind. Engage in hobbies or learning to stay present and fulfilled. Number 27, there is no need to stay late. Prioritize rest and set boundaries to maintain balance in your life. Number 28, don't expect others to read your mind. Communicate openly and honestly in your relationship. Number 29, make hitting rock bottom a turning point. Use setbacks as motivation to propel yourself forward. Number 30, find joy in working out. Remember, everything starts and ends with your health. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.